Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take this simple shirt and turn it into a cute crop top. I didn't put in what you needed in the video, so what you'll need is a shirt, some scissors, elastic, and adhesive glue. What I did was I lined up my shirt and decided how much I wanted to cut off. I'm using a male's size shirt to give me more fabric to work with, and you're just going to cut a straight line down. And I got my shirt from Walmart for like $3. So if you needed a shirt, there you go. If you have one in your closet, that's great too. But what you're going to do is cut it, then you're going to turn it inside out, and then you're going to flip up the edge like I did here. And you're just going to kind of like fold it over like how I'm doing. Then you're going to make sure you have room for your elastic band before you start, and also cut a hole in the middle of like a piece of the fabric so you can have a hole to work the elastic through. Then the next step that you're going to do is take your adhesive glue or fabric glue, or if you want to sew it you can do that too, but I just decided to glue it because I don't think a lot of people know how to sew. But if you do know how to sew, good for you. And then you're just going to glue down the edges of that, but don't glue your hole because you need space to put the fabric through. And you're going to weed the little adhesive band through it, and I just clipped to a bobby pin and stuck it through, and then you're going to tie it in a knot like that. I didn't get videotape of me kneading it through. Things you want to watch out for: this one didn't bleed through, but on my lighter colored shirt it did bleed through, so just be careful with that. And here are the results. On my pink one, I liked it, but this wasn't my favorite. I'd probably wear it with something else. But the purple one I liked more because I used a tighter band. But thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave them below.